Are you looking for a genuine work-from-home business where other people do the work and you get paid in advance for it over and over again? Do you want a business that you'd be proud to own? Then check out what Time for You has to offer. We're now in our 20th year of business as the UK's #1 home cleaning service, operating right across the UK, Ireland, Australia and Norway. By the way, none of our franchise owners pay a royalty fee, which means that they get to keep much more of the money they earn, which averages £65,000 a year. Just imagine you owning your own domestic cleaning franchise, earning over £65,000 a year and never doing any of the cleaning yourself, ever. You can work at home at times that suit you, your children and your lifestyle and any other commitments. At last, a real business that is proven to work, that you can really be proud to say you own. And we guarantee it will work for you 100% or your money back, and we'll put that in writing for you. But there is a catch. We already have 221 franchise owners, and as there are now less than 40 areas still available, please take a look at the areas we have available before you call us to avoid disappointment, as we can only have one franchise owner in any area. Oh, I nearly forgot to mention that the British Franchise Association's advice on picking the right franchise is: number 1, you should be able to recover your initial franchise fee in the first year. 2, you should have a reliable residual income from regular clients. 3, you can build an asset that can be sold at a profit. 4, you should have totally free access to the existing franchisee network to get their opinions. And 5, you should have well-proven systems and procedures with continual training and support. Well, you'll be glad to know that we have all of these and much more besides, so why settle for less? If your area is available and you want to improve your standard of living and be your own boss with a business you'd be proud to own, then call us right now on 01604 651 008. You'll be pleased you did. Thanks for watching.